Desert wind touches me, and the sun hits my skin. I don't know if what I feel is the heat or something stronger.